Greetings, people of the world. Today is Sunday, the 5th of July, 2026. And I thought it was about time I made a video documenting the improvements to this area that have happened recently over the past year or so. Let's have a look at this. Penwitham to Preston, Broadgate, Cyclops Junction. That's interesting. I wonder why they call it Cyclops. Perhaps it's to do with this circle that looks like an eye. Maybe it's the all-seeing eye. And you are here. I'm stood in the centre of it. Cycle optimised protected signals. That's why. Anyway, this isn't really what we want to look at. We're heading over to the new flood defence on Broadgate. I'm currently stood on Penwitham Bridge. I am limited what I can film because there are families about. So we'll head down towards a new path and go beyond the families and resume the footage. That's quite an impressive wall they've built, and if you look on the other side, it's reinforced as well. I've made it to the old Penwitham Bridge over the Ribble, and I've had to wait until there's nobody about. That's the problem. It keeps getting spoilt by interruptions. Over there, you can see the other side of the Ribble, the Penwitham side, and they've also built flood defences there. See how far we can zoom in. Hello, seagulls. It's unusual to have a glass fence. I suppose it's dual purpose, as it stops people falling in, and it also allows you to see what's going on as well. I think it's toughened double glazing. It's even got a silicon seal. It's taken ages to put this film together. I keep getting interrupted. We go down there. That's a gas pipe, by the way. Let's jump down. Wouldn't be surprised if that was the most exciting part of the video. Meadow Park. I suppose it's worth having a look at. Not very big though, is it? I'll tell you what would be good. If I could get inside one of these here. Go underground. That'd be something, wouldn't it? Techno cover. And that sounds like a record label. I wonder if it opens easily. Hey, look at this. No way. There's a load of insects in there, like ants. That's mad. That's where all the flying ants live. Interesting that we can open part of it. And what's this? United Utilities. I don't think we'll tamper with that, really. Let's move on. This is interesting, check this out. We'll get on the other side. Do you know something? I'm tempted to do that. We'll have a look at that storm drain as well. May not be a good idea, but it might add some interest to the video. Should we do it? Should I climb over and walk on the other side of this while there's nobody about? Oh, crap. Oh dear. Now it's getting down safely. I think we can. Yes. Hey, check. Whoa. Oh. And look at this here. I better be careful, really. I don't want to fall in. Yeah, there's no way down there. I can't get in there anyway. But how mad is this? If I keep my head down, no one will see me. Hey. You can see the other side of the flood defence. I've just passed someone. They might think I'm a bit mad, but I feel better being on this side. It's like I've no-clipped again into another area. I'm still working on that no-clip film. I need to record some extra footage for it. Anyway, let's keep going. I better run. I've just realised the problem. How am I going to get out at this end if the wall gets progressively higher? What if I can't go any further here? Wow. The pathway's getting narrower. I hope I haven't made a mistake. Let's keep going. Let's speed up. You might want to press the forward button. Over there you can see a load of boulders. Helps reinforce the bank. How far does this go? Will I be able to get out? I've trapped myself behind the wall by the River Ribble, and we've come to the end here. And oh, does it go round? Someone set something on fire. I think it's an old fishing rod. I don't know. Yes, oh, we can get out of this now. That was lucky. Yes, we can. Oh, that's a relief. Hey, should we climb over the fence? Yeah, I think we'll do it that way. Yes. Whoa, that was a close one. I didn't think I'd escape that. And this looks like one of the barriers. Oh yeah, there's two. This will be the actual gate. So if there was a mega flood, let's wait for this cyclist to go past. If there was a flood, these gates close. But would that be enough to stop the water? Does it seal there? Is that like a seal? It just feels like metal. Maybe there's rubber underneath it. It does feel rubberized, yes. So it would seal shut. That's mad, isn't it? I like these new apartments, but I won't film them. I think that's a bit of an invasion of privacy. Plus I can hear someone arguing in one of the flats. I'm starting to relax a bit more now. There's less people about. Over there, there's a cricket ground. And that's had some refurbishment work done. It does look a lot better, doesn't it? This area than how it used to look. We have a fence of not allowed. Another thick, strong wall. JCB in the distance. I hope I'm holding the camera right. I don't know if there's anything else to see. There's a little bit more up there. I'll switch the camera off for now because again, we're entering the realms of humans and they might not appreciate me filming them. Alrighty. It looks like new builds over there as well. Okay, I have to be careful now because there are people outside their own home with a picnic table and I don't want to film them. But we're on the other side of the flood defence and these are the two gates. Now, that's got me thinking, what if you're in between the two gates and they have to close? You'd be trapped. Well, I suppose you could swim because the water would be high enough that you'd be able to swim over the closed gates. That's my reasoning. Wait a second, that wasn't a private house, it's a new cafe. I just captured a glimpse of it then. You can see my reflection in the glass. And over there is the new Continental. And this looks like the new Continental car park. I've had to film this sequence again because it was spoilt by people walking into the shop. Just want to see what's going on here because this is different. I don't recognise this fence. It's a new fence and it must be ground improvement works. But what's up there? Private, I guess. So upgrades to the cricket ground. Check this out. There's a third gate. I didn't realise that. And that blocks Riverside. Miller, what does it say? Welcome to Miller Park. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's even got a red light on it. And a green light that currently isn't on. I wonder what happens if I press these buttons, should we? Oh, they do as well. 5, it's making a noise. I hope I don't accidentally close the gate. I don't seem to have. That was probably not a good idea, really, was it? I may have programmed something metaphysical to happen, which as yet is unknown. And I can hear some beeping sounds. Dedicated to the memory of Ben Ashworth. I don't know who that was, to be honest. No way. A fourth gate. There's more. And this begs the question, what are they expecting? Why would you go to all this trouble to put all these gates around Miller Park? What if it isn't anything to do with flood defence and more to do with zombies? These have been put in place if there's ever a zombie apocalypse, so they can lock down this area. It must be that, because I can't imagine the River Ribble flooding to such a degree that it'll spill over the glass wall, if you like. Let's move on. Welcome to Miller Park. Could do with a clean. Look at this. Hey, you can write clean me. You can't really see it properly there. But I've wrote clean me. So maybe someone will at some point. And I can hear shouting like an echo. And someone's attempted to put a G there as a planter. I don't think they've finished yet. Hello, hound. Oh, we've got a visiting dog. That's pretty cool. You dirty rat. I've got a rat in my sight. Check that. It's the Marontavirus right there. Look at you. The Marontavirus. Hello, you dirty rat. It's more like a mouse than a rat. Let's zoom in right on it. Look at that. Wow. And the Marontavirus is coming for you. Actually, it looks quite cute. Let's see if... Oh no, it's gone. Never mind. That's probably a good way to end the video, to be honest, because there's nothing much more to see. I thought I'd have a look at the flood defence and the improvements on Broadgate, and it's kind of made a reasonably okay short. So we'll wrap it up there. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next exciting adventure. Bye for now.